How to record PC screen using Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can record PC screen using Capcut, so let's dive in. So first you have to open your Capcut app on your PC. If you have not installed it yet, you can go to the browser and use the official Capcut website and install the Capcut app. And then you can see you have this record screen option over here, but make sure that you have the updated version of Capcut, as it is only available on the latest version of Capcut. So you have to just update your app, and then once you update your Capcut app, you can just see over here, this is the version right now, 5.9.1. that's my current version, and make sure you're on the current version, and then you'll be able to see this record screen option on your Capcut app once you open it, and you have to click this option. Now you can see it has given me this over here. I can just drag and set the diagonals for the screen to just adjust the placement of my recording for my screen. If I want my screen to be this much for the recording placement, I can just drag these corners and set it like that. And then once done, you can click start recording, and then it's going to start the recording. Now you can also turn on your mic over here if you want, and you can just click the microphone and it's going to turn on. Or you can just click this arrow over here and choose headset or microphone or anything that you have connected. And then you can also turn on your camera if you want. You can just click this arrow over here, and then you can just choose HP HD camera, OBS virtual camera, or you can choose any app and use its camera as well. And you can also drag this portion over here by just clicking these dots over here and move it around wherever you want it to be. Like you can place it over here, or wherever you want. And then you have to just simply click start recording once you're done with the placement, and then it's going to give you this timer and it's going to start recording. And then you can pause it over here by clicking this pause icon, or you can just stop it by clicking this stop recording option. And now you can download this or edit it more, or you can use these recommended tools for your recording like text to speech and convert text into human like speech. And that's how you record PC screen using Capcut. And thanks for watching.